I have to appreciate you and your fantastic team. I mean, they're so professional. I'm surprised. I mean, Mik Cheppanu, in Delhi, we have done this same meeting in ITC, in Meridian, in Hayat, and so many other places. టోటలీ మరి ఇక్కడ చూసిన ఇక్కడ డెడికేషన్ ఇక్కడ మీరు ప్యాషనేట్ ఇంకా అంత సిన్సియర్గా పనిచేస్తున్నారంటే నేను ఐఎమ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంప్రెస్డ్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ విత్ ద ప్రొఫెషనలిజం బట్ ఆల్సో ద డెడికేషన్ సో ఐఎమ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ అండర్ యువర్ గైడెన్స్ అండ్ విజన్ ఎస్ సో వాట్ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ అండ్ వాట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఆర్ సేమ్ ద రీజన్ వై వీ పార్ట్నర్డ్ విత్ యూ and I want to tell the media friends here that we are doing the same thing. What he's doing, he's practicing a lifestyle that is environment friendly and nature friendly and healthy for human minds and minds and body. What we are doing is we are using films as a medium to communicate to people the need to change. He is demonstrating the change and we are using films to communicate to people about the same thing. Today, CMS Vatavaran is Asia's largest environment and wildlife film festival. It's one of the top festivals in the world. Top 3 lo vastundandi. So we are very excited that we have made a name for ourselves as a festival, as a medium where we use films. Meeto maatadtam, we use films to talk to people and convince them, touch their hearts and brains to make sure that they are convinced. And what Pragati Sudama is doing under the leadership of Dr. G.B.K. Rao is exactly that. He is showing how healthy it is to be living in an environment like this. How you can have both business and health together.
It is only because the fire elements are pure, that is pollution free. No mosquitoes and no viruses. We have conducted more than 125 marriages in this particular 9 months COVID period. Almost 5 marriages simultaneously at one time, and sometimes 5,000 people, 135 rooms, 8 to 12 days in a month fully booked. Why there is no virus here? Why there is no positive this thing? And we have done 20,000 positive viruses to native. That is using Artemisia vulgaris, which is our Machipatri. For Ganapati we do Julu Machipatri, and also the other lavender Machipatri. We have the products also which is from herbal, which it can cure, and also Dr. Nagaraj is having here the Swantana is naturopathy, Ayurveda, homeopathy, all the integrated approach that same to have the to treat using homeopathy, naturopathy or Ayurveda or homeopathy, a combination which will be is doing excellent here. The Pragati Sudama is the name is Pragati Swantana is given. All the people who are pharma industries, they are his customers. So pharma companies, they produce all sort of, but the naturopathy, Ayurveda is the base where our people say that, coming to Pragati, staying in Pragati, we don't get any diseases, and whatever diseases are there, they are disappearing. Yes, please, Dr. Nagaraj.
I am Dr. Nagaraj. I am a urologist and a kidney transplant surgeon, former CEO of Sunshine Group of Hospitals. So with a lot of passion and enthusiasm, we started a health center that is called Swantana Health Village. Swantana meaning it is recuperate or recover. The whole idea of starting Swantana is, the core objective is to align the people to the nature. In whole Hyderabad, the only place where the nature is abundant, which is environmental friendly, is Pragati. So I met Sri G.B.K. Rao garu. So I requested him, I expressed my objective and my requirements. He immediately accepted my request, and both of us have started this one. The whole objective is, pretty well, there are so many centers which are monotherapies. Ours is an integrated natural medicine center. Here we have integrated various disciplines of alternative and complementary medicine like homeopathy, naturopathy, Ayurveda, yoga, meditation, and physiotherapy, allopathic first aid services, acupuncture, acupressure. We are about to start Siddha and Unani also in next month. So thereby all the disciplines of Ayush centers are at one place, and our focus is mainly on the core health problem, that is lifestyle disorders and chronic disorders. We are giving, we have been treated about 250 people in the last 1 year. So they got an excellent improvement. So many people have recovered from chronic illnesses which could not be controlled by various other disciplines of medicine. I am proud to say about this. Thank you very much.
Experience. But before that, let me hand the floor to Dr. G.B.K. Ravaru, the man and the vision behind Pragati Sudama.
Today is a wonderful day because we are talking about environment, the biodiversity, which is the Pragati. All you know that the type of 5 elements: earth, water, air, Akash. Agni, of course, is always it is has got its own the purity. All 4 has to be to bring it to the purify soil, water, air, Shabda, Akash. This program, what is called 11th CMS Vatavaranam. The Vatavaran is itself is the environment, which is started from, I know that, Dr. N. Bhaskar Rao. So the first award we received from him almost 15 years ago. And now I am saying, after that, now our great Dr. P.N. Vasanta is the Director General, CM. Almost 70 countries, now they participating. Since 20 years, she is doing the great, marvelous work, which on this particular films, awards giving particular environment, biodiversity, eco, health. That is what Pragati is impressed to have the 3 days program at Pragati Sudama, which is called Pragati Green Meadows and Resorts Limited. And now the jury, you see that all are at 2:30 we are starting the program, and selecting this is a very transparency, and also the value system is what I gone through. The procedure and system, you cannot go wrong anywhere. You cannot go wrong anywhere. And people, eminent personalities, and which they have the background, the record is such a wonderful. So to the right people, you should go to the award. That is a main intention. And today, being Pragati, to bring this Vatavaran, that environment to come, what Pragati is promoting, instead of rice, wheat, millets, which is only 300 liters water required, and also it is got 6 units of the our glucose what is needed for the human being, whereas the rice, wheat, 12,000, 8,000, 12,000 liters water required for 1 kg of rice to bring on the table. This is the also methane gas, which is this type of thing like a sugarcane sugar. Instead of that sugarcane sugar, that is the palm jaggery, which is 28,000 liters required for 1 kg of sugarcane sugar to bring on the table, whereas the palm doesn't need water. And also is the fructose, this is the glucose, all diabetes, all obesity, this is causing environment problem. And also the instead of refined oils, which we are going the Kattigan Nunlu, that is called cold press oil, and instead of coffee tea, that is herbal decoctions, which is the fundamental basic, which we will be seeing in this particular during the awardee, how the people are sharing each. The sharing is very important. How we are sharing. At the same time, the birds without birds, That means 84 lakhs living beings. We have to live with them. That is the concept of biodiversity, live and let live. That is important in this, how the water, how the, taking care of the soil. Today the soil is, trillions of microbes have been by pesticides and chemicals. Totally it is coming to such a level this cannot digest. If the soil goes into a place like a sand, from fertile land to become a sand, if you don't have plantation on the earth. Similarly, sand also can become fertile land. Fertile land also becomes sand, depends upon green cover, what we do. So like this, there are a lot of things which will be looking into this awardee, that each program, what what is the theme behind, what is, the direction is taking place. A lot of things which it will be covering. I certainly, you will enjoy the what the procedures going on. We will be discussing on this day to day, and certainly it is my pleasure to have this type of Dr. Anish Andheriya. So he is the President, CEO, Wildlife Conservation Trust. Mr. Ranjan K. Pandey, Convener, Water Initiatives and Combat Climate Change Network. And Mr. Vedakumar Manikonda, Chairman, Deccan Heritage Academy and Forum for a Better Hyderabad. Dr. W.G. Prasanna Kumar, Chairman, Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education, that is MGNCRE. And of course myself with Dr. G.B.K. Rao, and Mr. Anand Varadaraj is a founder, artist, director, the Bangalore International Short Film Festival. Then Mrs. Manju Bora, eminent film director. Mr. P. Raghuvir, IFS, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, retired, Telangana State Forest Development Corporation Limited. Mrs. Atana Chotrani, senior journalist, and Dr. C.H. Shashikala, the professor and director, Institute of Science and Technology, JNTU. That is, I am also from the JNTU. As a JNTU, 1975 batch. And of course, Subhashi Bharati, Savisachi. He is also international, the films, what you know is the short films making. And people are so much, having the background and type of interest towards the nature. That is, connect with the nature. If you connect with the nature, nature will protect you. If you are away from the nature, that is what today is happening, ativristi, anavristi, you don't find where rains to come, it won't rain. And also the ice is melting now, like Bangladesh and Kakinada. If they immerse the Bombay, your Calcutta, your Visakhapatnam, all of them get such a level when we have to be very cautious. Today, such programs, such interesting things. So you are doing a great job, and we are so glad that you have come here and see, and you must settle down here. So Hyderabad is the place. The people can say is a friendly place. Whoever Mr. J.M. Lingdo, when I ask him, why did you come here? He says the people Hyderabad, they are friendly. So this is the place where, like Naimisharanyam, what type of plants, like Timuthivanam, Panchavattavanam, Panchaputavanam, Navagravanam, Nakshatravanam, Rasivanam, Saptarishivanam, 21 Patri, these type of vanams where they are, there the Bhagavan says. Because that is where the aromatherapy, without asking, you get cured your all diseases. This is what we want to promote to this type of environment. Whoever is going to have the layouts or other things, you have to change in their concept. Instead of concrete jungles, even concrete jungles wherever is made, we want to bring it as the urban forest, like a square foot gardening, vertical gardening, hanging gardening, roof gardening. Change, if there is a will, there is a way. So in this direction, herbal, medicinal, aromatic plants are those things which goes to the yajna as a samadhis. This is the thing where we want to bring our Charakas, Sushruta, Sanskriti into our Vedic culture. Thank you very much. It's a great pleasure today having all the eminent personalities sitting here. I am great pleasure to once again thank you very much, Dr. N. Bhaskar Rao ji, who is brought to this stage, and you are taking such a lead, and your whole family. I know that they are all environmentalists, and try to see that next generation also they come into this area. Thank you very much. So nice.